From one box to the entire world, Amazon redefined delivery, commerce, and connection. Every second counts. Every package matters. This is more than business. It's a global movement.
Amazon CEO in a tech brown armored suit, walking confidently on a vertical conveyor skyport. Behind him, a massive mech superhero with drone wings, delivery bots on shoulders, and glowing Prime symbols, symbolizing Amazon's global logistics power. We imagined connection, and then we coded it. At Meta, we don't just build networks, we create worlds. The future of social is immersive, intuitive, and infinite. At Adobe, creativity isn't a skill, it's a superpower. We don't make tools, we unlock imagination. When you create with Adobe, the canvas becomes infinite. Adobe Premiere Pro CEO in a black editor's coat standing before a curved, holographic timeline interface. Behind him, a superhero made of timeline clips, transitions, and motion effects, wielding razor-sharp cut tools and glowing render light. Background: floating project windows, export flames, and cinematic cuts flying.
At Canva, we believe design is for everyone. With one click, you tell your story, visually, boldly, beautifully. Our power is simplicity. Our mission is creation for all.
At vidIQ, we don't guess, we calculate. We don't chase trends, we engineer growth. Every creator deserves a guide inside the algorithm. We are that guide. We are vidIQ. At CorelDRAW, we've empowered millions to visualize, vectorize, and bring their precision to life. We are not just software, we are design control.
The future of finance is here. At UBL, we've merged trust, intelligence, and digital power. Through AI and blockchain, we redefine banking. Safe, smart, UBL, where future meets finance.
From the heart of Tokyo to the roads of tomorrow, Toyota drives the future forward. With cutting-edge machines and visionary engineering, we are not just a car company, we are the architects of movement. Toyota, powered by progress.
Every spark tells a story of power. At Honda, we ignite change through energy, engineering, and excellence. We're not just building vehicles, we're charging the future. Honda, the power of dreams.
In a world led by innovation, we at Apple are not just building devices, we're designing the future. Our AI isn't just smart, it's powerful, intuitive, and human-focused. Welcome to the next era of technology. Welcome to Apple.
At Samsung, we don't follow digital evolution, we lead it. In this era of limitless connections, we create devices that think, respond, and empower. This is more than innovation. This is the Samsung way. Speed, power, legacy. At Nike, we don't just make sportswear, we engineer momentum. With every step, every sprint, we fuel champions. Because greatness doesn't wait. Just do it. We're more than a drink, we're a spark of joy. At Coca-Cola, our energy flows through generations, cities, and moments. One brand, one taste, endless refreshment. Open happiness. At Tesla, electricity isn't just energy, it's a revolution. We build the impossible, challenge the norm, and drive into a cleaner tomorrow. This is the storm of innovation. This is Tesla. At Microsoft, we harness the power of intelligence, not to compete with humans, but to empower them. AI is no longer the future. It is our present, and we are building it one neuron at a time.